Hello everyone, welcome back again to PPT Template channel. In this channel you can learn all about tutorials and download designs using PowerPoint. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe PPT Template channel. In this video, I will show how to save a Canva to PowerPoint. Let's start. Open website in your browser. Click Select Size Presentation. Select Tab Design and Template to select from Template. Edit text template to what do you want. Click Share and click More. Scroll down, Save Microsoft PowerPoint. Donate Canva Save to PowerPoint. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to learn new updated videos about PowerPoint tutorials from PPT Template channel. Thanks for watching.